Now load the hot block machine, last machine. First, we load the container. We load the mixer into container. You can see the black is black. The real way. Now load the stacking machine. Stacking machine loading in container. Load the mixer and the stacking machine. Now load the control box for block machine. Now load the hydraulic station. Mixer, stacker, control box, hydraulic station. Conveyor belt loading in container. Later we put a conveyor motor. This is a conveyor motor. We load in container. Conveyor just put in container. Later we will put inside. The black one is the mouse for mixer, outlet mouse for mixer. Now still have a vibration motor for hot block machine and the 2 pieces trolley loaded into container. Vibration motor. Another one installed in machine over here. Trolley loaded in. Later we will put railway for stacking machine.